Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Deliwe here, also known as the More Deliwe. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I got ready for my dinner date. And please come with me and watch how I got ready. So first up, I'm going to cleanse my face using the L'Oreal. And I'm priming my face using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte. Alright, so first up we're going to start with filling our eyebrows. And I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in shade Toffee. You don't want to waste too much time on the eyebrows, so I think growing your eyebrows and keeping them a bit fuller is actually good, and it saves you time. So I'm going to be using this NARS concealer. It's in shade Dark Cafe. I'm using another angle brush. I'm not using the same one that I was using on the bottom part. If you don't have two angle brushes, then you can clean the one that you've used and use it again with your dark concealer. For our eyeshadow, we are going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow in this Rivera palette. So we are going to be using this first color. We're going to be using Estate in Palm. I'm also going to be using this Snap Shadow from Fenty Beauty, and I'm going to be using the Fear Freak and Shots Fired. For my base, I'm using the Louise in shade Ruma number 2, and it's this color. And I personally, I love to set my base, so I'm using the MAC Mineralize powder in shade medium dark. So we are using the Rivera eyeshadow first, and we are using Palm and Fear Freaky from the Snap Shadow. And I was using the Morphe brush E23, and I'm taking the dark color from the Snap Shadow. I'm almost done with my eyeshadow, so I'm going to put my glue on my lashes. And guys, I haven't been lucky with the glue. Both the lash glues I've used in my previous videos are making me react, so I'm still on the hunt for that good lash glue. Alright, so now we are putting Estee, like a nude eyeshadow. Alright, I'm gonna be using the KIKO mascara for my lashes. And yes, I put mascara before my lashes for that fallout eyeshadow. So now I'm gonna be placing my lashes, right? So I'm gonna pull my lash. Alright, for my foundation, I'm gonna be using Estee Lauder in shade Sandalwood. And next up, before my foundation, I'm gonna put my black liner. Alright, so to highlight my face, I'm gonna be using the LA Girl Toffee concealer. I'm gonna be using a new setting spray. I also got it from Special Delivery. It's from Morphe, Morphe Continuous Mist, Setting Mist. I love the feel on the skin. On my last video, most people were asking me where I got my Fenty. I believe Special Delivery can actually shop for you online and deliver those stuff to you. I'll put their details at the end of the video. Alright, and I'm going to be using NC45 first to set my concealer. All right, and now I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty banana powder. So to contour my face, I'm going to be using the True Complexion Contour Palette. And you can get this palette from Mami Beauty. Going to contour my nose. I hope you guys are loving this look. After this, I always go back with my fingers. So I'm also going to be using the Mocha Mami bronzer to just fade the bronze my face. And after this, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Killawatt highlighter. This one has been my best discovery ever since. I love it. I can kill for it. I love it. And I think because it's more peachy, it acts out as my blush as well, I think. Well, that's what I see. And I'm going to be using the MAC Restore of Guilt highlighter just to further highlight my face just a bit, and to highlight my nose contour. Alright, so now I'm going to put liquid liner. Then now for mascara under my eye. Alright, so for my lips, I'm going to be using the MAC Film Noir and MAC Tweak, these two. So I'm going to contour my lips with the Film Noir. And then I'm now using the Tweak in the header. And I'm also going to be using the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. And there we go, guys. So just a bit more setting spray. And we're done. So guys, I actually forgot to use these brushes. I was supposed to use them in this video and try them out, but I forgot to use them. I actually got this from special delivery again. So guys, this is the dress I wore for my date night, and it's a dress I got from Signature Style Selena. You can find her on Instagram. It's a little black dress. You can never go wrong with a black dress. And my earrings, I got them from Lovisa. The clutch bag I'm holding, I got it from a friend. And my shoes, I got them from Steve Madden. And yeah, the length was just perfect. And the dress was hugging me. It was hugging my body perfectly, and I felt really confident, and I felt really sexy in it, and I felt good. If you feel good, you look good. Hello guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you really liked and enjoyed watching me getting ready for my date. And for my face, I've been using these two products. It's Frameous face mask and St. Ives face scrub. I've been using these two products combined, and they've been working really well. I can see that my blemishes are fading and my breakouts have minimized. So thank you so much for watching, and please, if you are new here, please like and subscribe to my channel. For my Glam Queens, please like, share this video. See you in the next one.